Hello friends, in this particular video you will come to know about the concept of bond enthalpy or bond energy. So whenever you consider any chemical reaction, it involves breaking and formation of chemical bonds. So when a bond is formed between atoms, like in reference with the products, then energy is released, and when bonds are needed to be broken up, like in case of reactants, energy is required, right? So that is the general concept of what is bond energy. In particular, if you want to find out what is a bond dissociation energy, then what is a bond dissociation energy? It is the average amount of energy required to dissociate 1 mole of bonds of a particular type between the atoms in the gaseous state. And in SI units, it's expressed in kilojoules per mole. Let us take an example for a diatomic molecule like H2. You can say it dissociates in this form, releasing an energy of 435 kilojoules per mole. Similarly, for various diatomic molecules like O2, N2, HCl, HBr, etc., the bond energy is found to be equivalent to that of the bond dissociation energy of the molecule. That means for diatomic molecules, we can have our general statement that the bond energy is nothing but the bond dissociation energy, and it is same as bond enthalpy. Is it okay? If you consider with reference to polyatomic molecule, let us try to find it out. In polyatomic molecules, there are more than one similar bonds, right? And it has been observed the bond dissociation energy is not the same for successive bonds. Let us take an example of water. As you can observe, the bond dissociation energies of the two oxygen-hydrogen bonds are not the same. In the first case, the bond dissociation energy is equivalent to 498 kilojoules, and in the second case, it is equivalent to 430 kilojoules. So in this case, how can we decide what is the bond enthalpy? So here the bond enthalpy is taken as the average of these two bond dissociation energies. So the bond enthalpy or bond energy of OH bond comes out to be 464 kilojoules per mole, right? So in general, now we can say what is bond enthalpy? Bond enthalpy is taken as the average amount of energy required to break 1 mole bonds of a particular type in the gaseous molecules. Is it clear? So that's for this. Thank you for watching.